Good morning. This is a recording for Thursday, February 1st. This is my second attempt at recording this because, as you can see, we're having a bit of a norte. So my phone fell once and I was not close to it. So now I'm just hanging in here and holding the phone as well. But if it falls, I will just continue. I will pick it up and continue. So sorry about that if something happens. Anyway, the essay from the book of Awakening by Mark Nepo that I'm going to read for you today is titled Talking Fast. As always, I'm going to read through it and then we're going to do a short practice around it. Live loud enough in your heart and there is no need to speak. I love this. Live loud enough in your heart and there is no need to speak. There was a time in my life during my years in college when I was so talkative that the waterfall of words kept others at a safe distance. Of course, in time, this cascade pushed others away. But what I didn't realize till much later was that I kept talking faster and louder to the world around me because I could not hear the world within me. Of course, the more noise I made, the less chance I had of having what was real enter me or rise from me. It became a damning cycle. So often we mistake the need to hear with the need to be heard. All the talk was a way of reaching out to others with my heart. Ultimately, it was all based on the fear that if I did not throw my heart out there through endless words and gestures and questions, I would be left alone. It's taken me many years to learn that the world comes flooding in if I can only keep myself open. It remains important to reach out and to express oneself, but underneath that is the need to be porous and real. Through the opened heart, the world comes rushing in, the way ocean fills the smallest hole along the shore. It is the quietest sort of miracle. By simply being who we are, the world will come to fill us, to cleanse us, to baptize us again and again and again. I think it's such a beautiful insight, and I, for one, can certainly relate. So let's do a short practice around this. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Let your breath be nice and soft, completely natural. As usual, see if you can get a sense of spaciousness, a sense of freedom in your breathing, so that all the experiences of the present moment, physical sensations, thoughts, emotions, can flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. Now bring into your mind one thing you are trying to reach for. Whatever it is for you, as you exhale, reach for this thing without moving, and let this reaching open up your body. And notice how it feels in your body, in your mind, in your heart, reaching without moving. Now bring into your mind one thing you are trying to express. And as you inhale, feel without speaking, and let it open up your heart. How does that feel in your body, your heart, your mind? Expressing without speaking, expressing through feeling whatever is inside. Now place your hands on your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. As always, as you gently let go of your practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? As you go through your day today, I invite you to notice the way you speak. And whenever you realize that your speech becomes this fast waterfall Mark Nepo is talking about, pause and ask yourself, what am I trying to reach for? What am I trying to express? In this moment, allow yourself to take a nice breath in and out and see if you can just feel whatever you need without speaking, and let it open up your body and your heart. Remember, live loud enough in your heart, and there is no need to speak. Enjoy your discoveries as always. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.